Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, we'll understand our question. The program has to accept the n integers and then the integer k, and the program must do the following operation for k times. So that is, move the minimum of the first and second integers in the array to the n, and finally the program must print the modified array as the output. So first we are going to accept the n integers and the integer k and do the following operation for k times. That is, we should move the minimum of the first and the second integers in the array to the end and print the modified array. So now we'll take our first test case. So here we have 5 integers and integer k is 4. So for the first time we should check 29 and 60. So 29 is smaller than 60. So we'll move 29 towards right, that is towards the end, and for the second iteration we'll check 60 and 84. 60 is smaller than 84, so we'll move 60 towards the end, and for the third iteration 84 and 26, so 84 is greater than 26, so 26 will be moved to the end. So, and for the fourth iteration, that is the last iteration, we have 84 and 50. So 50 is smaller than 84, so it will be moved to the end. So we get 84, 29, 60, 26 and 50. So this will be our output. Now we'll take our second test case. So here we have 6 integers and the integer k is 3. So we have to iterate for only 3 times. So for the first iteration, we have 4 and 5. So 4 is smaller, so it will be moved towards the end. And then for the second iteration, 5 is smaller, so it will be moved towards the end. And then for the third iteration, comparing 6 and 3, 3 is smaller, so it will be moved towards the end, and this will be our output. Let us implement our program. First we'll get our inputs. We'll get the integer n, and then we'll get the n integers as the array list. And after getting the array, we'll get the integer k. So now we'll run a loop that should run for k times. So for CTR in range 1 comma k plus 1, so we'll have the condition, that is, if the array of 0 is lesser than array of 1 means, then this array of 0 will be moved towards the end. So for that condition, we have array.append of array.pop of 0. So this array.pop of 0 will remove the element from that array, and this array.append will append the element at the last. So that's our condition. And in the else part, similarly we have array.append of array.pop of 1. So the element 1 will be removed and appended at the last. And finally, we'll print asterisk array. So now let us execute our program. So yes, we have got the correct output. Now we'll pass our another test case. So here also we have got the correct output.
Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.